Hello, welcome to CLC Cosmetics. My name is Amanda. And today I'm going to show you how to make soap using lavender and honey. I'm choosing lavender because it has the ability to lessen acne, help lighten skin and reduce wrinkles. And I'm also choosing honey because it clears acne, evens out skin tones and many other benefits. So as you can see here, we have lots of things that we're using, but the process is actually simple. We will be using a soap tray, but you could use an ice tray from different shapes that you like. A little bit of honey, some lavender, and the different pots to use to make 2 layers of soap. And I'll be using brown, which will actually become like a golden orange honey. So to add a little bit of color, some purple for the lavender, and some essential oils, and finally our amazing 2 soaps. Look at that! Huh. So I'm happy I made the decision to make a 3rd layer, basically because if it's not really hot, the little pieces won't stick, and it worked really well. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be posting more videos like this one within the next few days and every week. They are really great gifts, and they're also so much fun to make. They are simple but very pretty, and you get something authentic that you can make from home. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!